So hey guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video, we will be learning about the Ollama LLM. So basically, we will be creating our own open AI in R. To basically run this code, we will need a library Ollama R. So you can go to the package and install the package Ollama R. I have already installed, so I'll call the library here. So now I'll open my Google Chrome and search for the Ollama. Here we will get the first, then we will go to the website and we will download the software from here. So Ollama is the software which is widely used by the Meta and other big platforms to create their open AI, means chat GPT or whatever the LLM. So once the download, we will install our package. So once the download is done, we will install the package in our local software, local system. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes for the installation. So once the installation is done, we can finish the installation, and here in the taskbar, we can see the Ollama is running in our PC. So now let's go to our platform. Now we will do the test connection here, and we can see it. Ollama is learning our local server. Now we will pull the model from the website. So before that, we will checking the list of model available in our drive. So there's no no model we have pulled right now. So now we will pull the model. So this is the model we have pulled. So now it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Then only you will get a success message. Once you get the success message, you can check the list model again. And once you check, you can see here I have the model and it's 7 billion parameters there. So now we will generate the basically response. Generate, we will use generate command, and we will use the model, then we will use our prompt, then we will use the stream, so we will use true, and then output we want in text. So output you can like take as a PDF or the JSON file as well. So once we run this prompt, so it's generating the response, and now it's giving the responses here. So now it's giving the response. Now we will change our prompt. So we'll change it to like, so now I'll change it to three benefit of using R. Once I do control enter, it will give me the response. So here is generating the response in text. So it's done. Now let's give a new prompt to generate the answer. So I'll give the new prompt here. Advice on tracking. So here is it generating the response. So now I'll ask to give advice in 30 words only and control enter. So he has given me the advice in 30 words. To delete any model, we will use delete command in double quotes. We will use the model we have pulled. So I'll delete later. It's just to show you that how this command works. So if you guys like the videos, please Subscribe the channel for the more videos like this. Uh, have a nice day. Happy learning, guys.